Welcome back to 99 Reviews. With another interesting news video. Samsung has revealed that if everything goes according to plan, the Samsung Galaxy Ring will launch around August. But that might be quite a big if. That's because this rough August release date was revealed in a legal document submitted to the US District Court in California. Samsung is requesting a ruling that the Galaxy Ring doesn't infringe on patents held by Oura Health, while also pointing to 5 patents that it's seemingly using to frame Oura as a patent troll. As a long-standing smart ring maker with impressive fitness trackers like the Oura Generation 3 device, it makes sense that Oura would have several patents that protect aspects of its designs. However, Samsung is arguing that these 5 patents, which include a patent on having a battery in the ring and the ring giving users a fitness score, aren't unique features to Oura's rings and are instead features common to virtually all smart rings, and therefore should not have been granted. This isn't Samsung's first patent-fighting rodeo. It fought Apple in various legal battles in various parts of the world, spanning the early to mid-2010s. In the US, one battle eventually led to a $120 million defeat for Samsung, but it secured minor victories along the way and did win some cases in other countries. As pointed out in the Samsung submission to the California District Court, Oura has sued various smart ring manufacturers over the years, including Rincon and Ultrahuman, alleging they infringed its patents. Right now, it's unclear how things will proceed. If Samsung is successful, the path is cleared to a Galaxy Ring August launch, which will likely tie into a Summer Unpacked event. This also almost certainly won't be the last time we talk about this dispute. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys like my video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, 99 Reviews, and I will see you in the next one.